Hello, my name is Rio Ravansyah, and this is my person about video learning procedure text. Firstly, I will explain what is the procedure text. Procedure text is a text that explains, informs, or helps reader on how to make or use something. Usually, this type of text begins with the sentence "how to." For example, how to make a cup of tea or how to operate a machine. There are many procedure texts in cookbooks and manuals. Next slide. What about definition? Definition of procedure text is have three definition. One, text that explain how something works or how to use instruction operation manuals. Example, how to use the video, the computer, the tape recorder, the photocopier, the fax. Number two, text that instruct how to do a particular activity. Example, receipt, rules for game, science experience, road safety rules. 3. Text that deal with human behavior. Example, how to live happily, how to success. Aspect procedure text have two aspects. Structure procedure text, language features. Structure of procedure text. Goal: give information about the goals, materials, provide information what any needed to create something, steps, contains a list of sequence of instructions for making or doing something. Okay, language features procedure text. Simple present tense. To make a procedure text, one of the steps must use the simple present tense. Imperative sentence. A imperative sentence is always preceded by verb 1 from an action, verb or a verb that involves physical activity. Connective. Connectives are used in a procedure text to connect the step in it so that the list of instructions made is coherent and easy to understand. Using adverbs to express detail the time, place, manner accurate. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, and many more. Now we reach the how example of procedure text. How to make scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 2 eggs, milk, 1 teaspoon of butter, a pinch of salt and pepper. Step by step to make it. Firstly, crack the eggs into a small bowl and add a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk until all well blended. The second, in a frying pan, add butter and let it melt. 3. Pour the eggs and milk and for around 20 seconds. Do not stir it. 4. Af- After that, fold the eggs to the center and stir with spatula. 5. Repeat the previous step until all the eggs are mostly cooked. 6. Remove eggs from hot and continue to fold and stir the eggs for around a minute. The last one, leave the eggs, put on the serving plate, and your scrambled eggs are ready. Okay, how to make a cup of coffee? This is the second example. Ingredients: 2 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of coffee powder, hot water, a cup, a spoon. Procedure: firstly, prepare 2 spoons of sugar, a cup, hot water, 1 spoon of coffee powder, a spoon. The second, put 1 spoon of coffee powder into the cup. 3. Pour some hot water into the cup. 4. Add 2 spoons of sugar into a cup of coffee. The last one, stir it well and the hot coffee is ready to drink. Okay, there are some notes. Firstly, after that is are connective. 20 seconds a minute is are adverbs. And remove eggs from head, put on the serving plate, put 1 spoon of coffee powder into the cup, and add 2 spoons of sugar into a cup of coffee. These are imperative sentences. Okay, next slide. The last slide, my opinion of conclusion is procedure text is a text that explains or help us how to make or use something. Its social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps. Communicative purpose of this text is to describe how something is made through a sequence of action or step. Okay, thank you. I hope this the learning my video can give a view about procedure text for us. Thank you so much.